Hello everybody, I'm Zach. At Caterpillar, we're here to help you keep your truck engines running like new for this life cycle and the next. So let's talk through Cat on-highway truck engine repair options that can lower your costs while supporting your uptime. When you choose Cat Reman, you're getting parts remanufactured to perform like new. If you return your used core, you receive a core deposit refund that gets you a Cat Reman product for a fraction of new price. On top of that, these parts, repair kits, and engines come with a Caterpillar limited warranty. While we remanufacture complete engines, we also offer individual Cat Reman truck engine parts like air compressors, cylinder heads, injectors, oil coolers, oil and water pumps, and turbochargers. They're all designed to easily integrate into your engine system and support your next overhaul. And if you need a replacement camshaft, consider Cat Reman camshaft kits. You'll get a camshaft and fully assembled rocker arms. Caterpillar recommends replacing these together to avoid premature wear. When it comes to routine maintenance, we offer 4 convenient and affordable repair kits. They're designed to cover essential and often overlooked elements of truck maintenance. Get an exhaust manifold install kit to plug any fuel leaks or assist with a turbocharger replacement. Go with an injector cup kit to help when you're replacing injectors or repairing cup leaks. Use the exhaust bellows kit when repairing manifolds and connection defects or replacing bellows and turbochargers. And choose the spacer plate and shim kit when you're doing your next cylinder head replacement. This will help make sure your plates, liners, and heads are all in spec. Need to go the extra mile for your truck engine? That's where Cat Precious Metals overhaul kits come in. Use bronze kits for basic repairs. They include parts to help reseal your engine. Silver kits build on these components for more economical in-frame overhauls. Gold kits take things to the next level with parts for standard engine overhauls to extend engine life. Then there are platinum kits, which take things one step further, adding components that help deliver a complete quality overhaul. Medium-duty engine owners can find 2 additional kits. There's the titanium kit for next-level overhauls with 6 Cat Reman injectors and a pre-assembled Cat Reman long block. And then there's the Huey Fuel System Kit, which includes a Cat Reman injector set to give your engine a mid-life boost, especially when paired with the bronze, silver, or gold kit. Maybe you just want to get a jump start on your repair without having to worry about the condition of your block. If so, check out Cat Reman short blocks. They include a remanufactured crankshaft, cylinder block, cylinder liners, pistons, and connecting rods. Meanwhile, Cat Reman long blocks are a great way to avoid spending valuable money and time on labor-intensive block machining. They include rods, pistons, liners, and valve mechanisms, along with other parts such as new wear components like gaskets, seals, and O-rings. Our most comprehensive repair options are the complete Cat Reman medium-duty and heavy-duty engines. Whether you're looking to reduce downtime or restart your truck engine's life cycle, Cat Reman engines come fully assembled to make your overhaul fast and efficient. They include a Cat Reman cylinder block, crankshaft, cylinder head, turbocharger, electronic control module or ECM, engine wiring harness, sensor set, a complete set of oil and fuel lines, and more. We also have Cat Reman engines and long blocks with new content. They come with 100% new cylinder block, crankshaft, and cylinder head. These are great options when you need to restart the life cycle of your engine, since they make even more overhauls possible. No matter which you choose, each Cat Reman engine and long block is a drop-in solution that saves you time and money. For extra peace of mind, sign up for Cat extended service coverage for select engines, parts, and kits. To learn more about which repair option might be great for your Cat on-highway truck engine, talk to your local authorized Cat dealer or find the latest details on engines, parts, and services at cat.com/cattruckengines.